Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Varath Sunil Salunke and I am studying in TYCO2 at ZIL Polytechnic Nare. I am here to explain our project as role of small scale enterprises in solving unemployment problems. Our group members for this project are Pushkaraj Arun Jadhav, Yash Suhasbur and myself Varath Sunil Salunke. We have completed this project under the guidance of our HOD, Mr. S.B. Tamboli sir. I start the explanation by introduction, also the background of our study. The background of our study is to adequately appreciate how unemployment could be solved through the establishment of small-scale business. There arose the need of the initial attempt of defining the unemployment. In Oxford Dictionary of English, unemployment is defined as the state of being unemployed and unusual labor, or the people who are willing to do and have the capacity to work but could not find jobs. On the other hand, small-scale enterprises are defined by many authors. According to Age of 4, small-scale enterprises are those which have relatively less capital investment, which lead to a small quantity of production, resulting small-scale market which manages marketing and entrepreneur functions are rested in proprietor. According to the Walt Lawrence, these are the enterprises who are independently owned and operated by one manager and only one owner, and no other domination is there rather than self-domination. The factors leading small-scale enterprises are, first of all, types of management where only one management is in the power and owner participates in all the activities. Next is the size of business. The size of business is relatively small, which holds small market shares. Then comes sole proprietorship. This industry is owned by only one proprietor who hardly wants to be in partnership or wants to rule the enterprise solely. Then the cheap laborers. The enterprises are small in size and therefore they find the laborers who are unemployed and are in serious need for employment, who will work for them in less wages so that they can pay them at the end of the day. Then small outlay. Due to nature and size, they usually have small investable capital to run their business, resulting to small quantity of outlets. Next point is the statement of the problem. We have explained this point with the help of example of Nigeria society, which has been affected by a serious problem of unemployment. The society has been affected so hardly by fake preferences, taking advanced fees, which is known as 419 robbery, bribery, corruption and other vices. In this society, the graduates produced by the high learning institutes and high skilled professionals are not able to find suitable jobs. Also, the youths of this region are roaming on the streets for the unemployment.
Hello everyone, I am Pushkaraj Jadhav representing the next part, that is the purpose of the case study. The main purpose of the study is to identify the extent to which small enterprise in solving unemployment problem in any given local government, especially the study of South. Here are some points. First one, to find out the extent establishment of small scale business helped in solving the problem of unemployment in NGO North. Second one, to find out the extent employment provision resulting the establishment of the small scale actually affected by the standard living of the people. And third one, to find out the extent establishment of small scale business as assisted in mitigation the high level of social vices in NGO North. The next part is the scope of the study. The research is delimited to the NGO North local government area of NGO state in Nigeria, and the unemployment level is also considering, which is seriously eradicated by the establishment of a small scale business or also industries. So, here are some research questions. In order to find solution to the linearing problems of the study, the following question were formulated. First question is, has the establishment of small scale business helped in solving the problem of unemployment in NGO North local government area? Second one is, has the unemployment provision resulting from the establishment of small scale actually affected by the standard living of the people? And third one is, has the establishment of small scale business assisted in mitigation the high level of the social vices in NGO North? The next part will be explained by my partner Yash Suhasbur.
Next point is significance of study. This study investigates the impact of established of the Nigoria economy and that of Ingo North local government area in particular. The lingering problem and finding places to our rural job seekers could be specified by the establishment of a small scale industry through the length and the width of country. This research work tries to know whether or not the establishment of PF, the small scale businesses in the study area could reduce to decrease the unemployment problems of the study area. In addition, it is a aim that this study will help to prepare solution to the unemployment problems of Ingo, North local government area of Ingo, state in particular that Nigoria society of at large, it does not apply that if jobs could be provided from the unemployed, this could have positive impact in the reaction of a crime rate in our society. Also, the basic standards of a peoples will accepted to the improvement. Next point is definition of term small scale businesses. Oxford paperback defined it is an industry which can carried out in the home. Unemployment. The state of being unemployed is one who have no job to die regardless his her strength and qualification. Entrepreneurship. This is an individual who has the ability to see and value later businesses opportunities, gathering the necessary resources to take advantages of a term and initiate appreciate action of a ensure success. This can also be defined as one who undertakes an enterprises, example a contractor, employer, etc. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.